JBL soundbar connection issues are extremely common, but most problems have simple solutions. Today we'll focus on the two primary connection methods that solve most connectivity problems. HDMI ARC or ERC is the preferred connection method. It provides the best audio quality and supports advanced features like Dolby Atmos. Let's see how devices connect through your TV to the soundbar. Here's what the back of your TV looks like. You need to connect your HDMI cable from the soundbar's ARC port to your TV's HDMI ARC or eARC port. This is usually clearly labeled on both devices. The most common HDMI problems are CEC conflicts and incorrect settings. You must enable CEC and ARC in your TV's audio settings menu. Look for options like external speaker or ARC output. If HDMI isn't working, optical connection is your reliable backup. It supports up to 5.1 surround sound and works with virtually all TVs. Simply connect the optical cable from your TV's digital audio output to your soundbar's optical input. However, optical connections have important limitations. They cannot carry advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos or DTS:X. These high-quality surround sound formats require HDMI ARC or eARC connections to work properly. Remember, HDMI ARC gives you the best experience with full audio format support, while optical provides a reliable backup connection. Check your TV's audio settings to ensure proper configuration for either method. When basic HDMI and optical connections fail, advanced troubleshooting steps can resolve most remaining issues. The first and most critical step is updating firmware on both your TV and soundbar. Outdated firmware is responsible for most compatibility issues between devices. Check your TV's settings menu and the soundbar manufacturer's website for the latest updates. For HDMI connections, cable quality matters significantly. Use high-speed HDMI cables rated for HDMI 2.0 or higher to ensure proper signal transmission and avoid connection failures. As a last resort for persistent connection issues, perform factory resets on both devices. This clears any conflicting settings that may be preventing proper communication between your TV and soundbar. For wireless Bluetooth connections, start by clearing the Bluetooth cache on your source device. This removes corrupted pairing data that often causes connection failures. Maintain a clear line of sight between your device and soundbar whenever possible. Physical obstructions can cause audio dropouts and connection instability in wireless setups. Keep in mind that Bluetooth connections have inherent limitations. They may introduce audio latency and compress sound quality compared to wired connections, making them less ideal for critical listening. Professional installers report that most soundbar connection issues actually stem from incorrect TV audio settings rather than hardware problems. Check all audio settings methodically to resolve persistent issues.